What's up guys, hope you guys are doing well today. So today we're doing a little recap. Before I even start the recap, I just want to say thank you guys for all the support, and yeah, let's begin. If you guys enjoy, like, subscribe, like always. Before I start, I want to show you guys the payouts. I posted a short if you guys want to check it out, but here it is. So right there we can see November 4 right there. Take profit trader 5 account, switch to pro, and then around 10 days later, Take Profit LLC just paid you, and we should have another one. But anyway, in total we have this, so 2,600 plus 8,500, which is CAD, plus we should have another one right there, 3.7. So yeah, pretty nice. That's around 15k in payout already. As of right now, let me show you guys the stats for today. So this is done. We are back with 5 brand new 150ks. I already traded them 3 days. This is the third day, and we made around, so what is this, 3.7, let me just count, 3.7. Around 18k USD in one trade. Now, as you guys know, it is an eval, so typically on eval, since I have the money to do it and I know how to trade, I'll just not over risk, but try to risk so I can finish it in 1 to 2 days. And the rest of the days I'll just trade for $1, to count it as a day. But yeah, as of right now, Take Profit, best prop firm. They paid me out. The rules are it's like having a real account, right? Anyway, very nice. Right now I only need around 3,200 to pass the accounts, but I still need 2 days. So tomorrow I'll probably just risk 2k for a 1 to 2, and hopefully tomorrow we win. From there we just need one more trade for $1, and we have 5 accounts passed. From there, like always, we have the buffer that we need to get met. Once I have the pros account, now I'm back to risking what I'm supposed to risk, which will be 1k for a 1 to 2, and that's it. On average, each time I win I should make around 10k USD, so yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, let's get into the recap now. TradingView. Today we had no news. We had news at 8:30, but that's about it. We are Monday, November 17. Replay. Let's fast forward to 9:40. Right there, perfect. So it's 9:40 right now. What can I see? Well, what can I see is, before my time to trade, we came down, we swept this liquidity, and then went back up. All right, what else can I see? I can see we have this liquidity zone. Anything on the 4 hour? We have this one if we come back higher. Perfect. Let's go on the 15 minute. 15 minute, can I see anything? No, that's about it. Perfect. 5 minute. 5 minute, I can see we have this potential one, so we'll just mark it for now, and we have these equal highs. Perfect. So you guys know what model I use. I either look for a reversal of the zone I marked or a continuation. From there, the setup, either most of the time fair value gap and sometimes inverse, which is basically the same thing. Anyway, let's just go back a little bit. Right there. So perfect. Right now it's 9:37. as of right now, I am looking to go higher, but we did just sweep this zone that are marked. So from there, either we displace higher or lower. And from there, I'll look. So for example, if we displace higher, then I'll look for longs, and then lowers for shorts, right? Perfect. 942, 43, 44, 45. So as of right now, we are in this zone right there. It is 9:45, so we are in my time that I can look for a setup. What can I see already? Well, I can see we have this fair value gap right there. I can see that this zone, it's pretty much ranging, but I'll delete it since I'll show you guys an example. For example, let's say this didn't exist yet. Or here, I'll just show you guys when it happened. It's just easier. Anyway, the zone that we marked, we didn't respect it. We went higher, so I'll just erase it. So as of right now, I'm still looking for longs, targeting these liquidity zone. So let's see what happened. Here, we had another 1 minute fair value gap. Now here, I could have taken the entry, but honestly, I was waiting for price to tap into this so I can enter. It didn't tap, so I just didn't take it, right? But this was a valid entry. Like I said, I was waiting for it to tap, but didn't. Okay, perfect. Now, we just swept this zone. So was it a 15 minute? It was the 5 minute, perfect. So I'm still waiting. Now we swept this zone, so we can delete this one. Now, from there, either we displace higher, so I'll have to target these zones, or we actually start a reversal. From there, I'll show you guys what needs to happen. So as of right now, this is what I was talking about. We can clearly see that this zone is holding and we displace lower, right? Now there's one thing. When we displace lower, because price just want to come, for example, in this fair value gap and then go higher, right? So we respected this zone, but what else? This sell side got disrespected by this candle, 957. So from there, we swept our zone. We are in a reversal. We disrespected this sell side. So as of right now, I'm just looking for short, right? Perfect. So now I know I'm looking for short. What can I target? Well, I can target this next sell side, or for example, even lower. But usually it's either I target the next sell side or 1 to 2, whatever comes first. Perfect. Now I was talking, normally I look for regular fair value gap fails, so I'll look for a short fair value gap and just enter it. But as of right now, we don't have any. So as soon as this fair value gap, so this this bullish fair value gap get disrespected, I'll just enter off. And yeah, that's basically just an inverse fair value gap then. Anyway, now we can remove this zone. We can leave this one. Perfect. So right now I'm just waiting to make sure we disrespect this so I can get an entry. I even posted a short of my exact entry. I'll show you guys. So right there, I was like, all right, perfect. If it were to hold, we would have already hold it, right? Slap the entry. I was risking 100 for 200. So I'll tell you guys in points how much that is. 100. Oh, so 25 points for 50 points. Basically, right there to this sell side, right? Let's fast forward. I'm gonna take a short here. I think I was 4 contracts in. Yeah. Like I said on evals, I'll just risk heavier. I was risking 2k for 4k. Yeah. Exactly 3.9. Let's fast forward. 3 minutes later, guys, instant profit. Here, let me just close. So yeah, pretty easy trade. We came up, we swept this draw of liquidity. Are we respecting it? So are we in a continuation or a reversal? We start reversing. We disrespected the sell side. From there, I was looking for a setup. Had this setup, took the inverse, bang, 1 to 2, done. I think this ended up going way lower. Yeah. Regardless, I got my trade. That was it. Now I just seen this. Let's say I didn't take my inverse. I guess I would have taken this. So we disrespect the sell side. Perfect. So we're gonna go lower. So take this short here, stop loss above, and then bang, 1 to 2. So yeah, that was pretty much the trade for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to explain in details, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.